Hi, I'm Jana Eubank, and I am scrapbooker and papercrafter. I've always loved paper. My family had a printing and copying business when I was little, and so that's when I fell in love with the smell of ink and all those beautiful colors. I would often pull all the different papers off the shelf and make little booklets to take home and draw in and write my little stories in. So I've just loved it forever. My mom was great at keeping up with our family photo albums, and I loved looking through them. She not only made photo albums, but she would also make little storybooks for each of us. And there weren't a lot of paper crafting supplies back then, so she would fussy cut out little images from wrapping paper and cards to decorate those pages. And so I give her credit for my love of fussy cutting. After enjoying those albums for so many years, I knew that when I got married that I wanted to make a point to record my own story, starting from day one. So really, I've been scrapbooking ever since I got married and started having children. When my children were young, my husband started working at the local news station at night. And so after the kids were in bed, I had a few hours to myself. And that's where I really fell in love with paper crafting, especially all of the stickers, the delicious patterns, all the companies, all the collections. And so that's what I want to focus on with this class. Another thing I loved doing when my children were young were planning their birthday parties. I would let them pick out their favorite theme at the moment, which could be anything from veterinarians to spies, and then we would run with it and create a party for them. My very favorite one was the veterinarian one because you can't find veterinarian supplies at the party store, right? So what we did is we went to the local dollar store and we picked up little puppies, and then we made little adoption booklets for each of those kids. We also made gable boxes for their medical bags, and the local medical supply store loved the idea so much that they sent me home with all kinds of syringes and tongue depressors and lots of fun goodies to include inside. We even gave the kids little dog bowls to eat out of. We served them Cocoa Puffs along with their cupcakes, and they just thought that was the most hilarious thing. So of course, all of these parties I did with paper craft collections and my scrapbooking supplies. And that's what I want to do in this class. I want to show you how you can choose any kit throughout the year, any type of theme, whether it's a holiday or birthday, and record your family's memories, but also you can use them for your party decor, your holiday decor, and even gift boxes. I can't wait to show you everything. So I'm excited to have you join me, and we'll see you in the classroom. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.